In this episode, we are talking about how to prescribe the Foundayo medication specifically for the Medicare GLP program. We are really excited because a lot of patients have access to the GLP medications to support them with their weight loss journey. And as more and more people are learning about this, realizing, oh, shoot, what is it exactly that I need to do step by step in order to get these medications for my patients? So I've got your back. In this video, we're talking about how to prescribe Foundayo, but you can check out my other videos where we talk about the Zepbound Quick Pen, the Wegovy injection, the Wegovy tablet. We also have a video specifically walking through the Medicare GLP Bridge prior authorization form and what to anticipate on that form. So let's go ahead and start this prescription. So this is Minnie Mouse. She's obviously an example patient. She was born in 2000, so she is 26 years old, so probably not a Medicare beneficiary, but let's pretend that she is. She is over 65. She's a Medicare beneficiary, and she meets criteria for the Medicare GLP Bridge program. We're going to prescribe her today the Foundayo medication. So this is the newest FDA-approved pill GLP medication for the treatment of overweight and obesity. This medication comes in 6 different doses, and as I type in Foundayo here, you see those 6 different doses pop up. And yeah, so you see those 6 different doses. If someone is brand new to that medication, they should start at the introductory dose of medication. But let's say they've been on it for a little bit. Foundayo was FDA approved a few months ago. So in theory, maybe someone who is qualifying for this Medicare GLP Bridge program, possibly they started it a few months ago. They've been titrating up with their doctor, and you could bring them in at any dose. So if they're brand new, start them at 0.8 milligrams. But if they've been titrating them up, obviously you can bring them in at whatever that dose is. So here we're going to choose that Foundayo 0.8 tablet dose. The instructions here, mine will autofill. It's 1 tablet orally daily. And this medication's great because it can be taken any time of day, morning, evening, it doesn't matter. You can take it with food, you can take it with water, you can take it alongside most of your other medications, which is excellent news. So the instructions here can be pretty simple. So Foundayo, 1 tablet orally daily. You're going to dispense 30 tablets and whatever number of refills you choose. Now, what is important is there are no 90-day supplies that are available through the Medicare GLP Bridge program. So patients do need to get prescriptions for 30 tablets. And two, this is an introductory dose. So most people are going to be titrating up to the next dose of medication from here. So you also don't want them to get stuck with a 90-day supply of too low of a dose of medication. Nonetheless, that's not covered. It's just 1 month supplies that are covered for that $50 copay for patients. So you're going to write that 30 tablets here. In the instructions to the pharmacy, we are going to tell the pharmacy to please send to the Medicare GLP Bridge program. I also like to include the Medicare number. And so each patient has a unique Medicare number, and you can include this here. This will be helpful for the pharmacy initiating the prior authorization process. From here, you can send it to whatever your preferred pharmacy is. You could send it to LillyDirect. In my pharmacy or in my electronic medical record, it is one word. It says LillyDirect Pharmacy. Alternatively, you can send it to any local retail pharmacies. So you could say, hey, I'm going to send it to CVS in Charlottesville. I'm going to send it to the one on Main Street. And so from here, you could prescribe that medication, and that is it. From there, the pharmacy will receive the prescription. They will initiate a prior authorization for you. The prescriber should receive an electronic prior authorization form that they can fill out on the Cover My Meds platform. There is also a hard copy of that prior authorization that could be filled out and faxed in. We're going to go through that in another video so you can see what that process looks like so you know what to anticipate. But it's pretty easy. It's just everybody is learning what this looks like, and especially communicating to your pharmacies, helping them to get that Medicare GLP Bridge prior authorization initiated is the most important part. If you have questions, let us know. You can drop a comment below or reach out to me at any time at info@sarahstombaughmd.com. I see patients in person in Charlottesville, Virginia, and throughout the states of Illinois, Tennessee, and Virginia by telemedicine. If you'd love to learn more about being a patient in my clinic, I would love to support you. You can learn more at www.sarahstambamd.com. If you are outside of one of those states and looking for additional support, I would love to support you with my online program called the GLP Guide. You can learn more about that at www.sarahstambamd.com/GLP. That will give you short 5 to 10 minute videos to answer the questions you have to get you supported as you start your GLP journey. Thanks for joining us in this video. We'll see you all in the next one.